next problem is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. Okay, outcome 3 heads, 2 heads, 1 head, 0 head, and frequencies 23, 72, 77, 28. Okay. If 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, then compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. Okay, you have to find the probability of 2 heads. Okay, when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously tossed again, you have to find the probability of what 2 heads coming up. To find that you have to use this information given to you, that is 3 coins, there are 3 coins that coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times. Okay, so 3 coins that are tossed 200 times means total number of trials, total number of tosses. Now total number of trials that is 200 times, and you are given outcomes with the frequencies. Okay, outcome 3 heads, 3 heads means in 3 coins, in 3 coins you are getting head in all 3 coins. Okay, and 2 heads means like this, in any 2 coins you are getting head, and in another third coin tail, or last 2 head, first one is tail, like that 2 head, and next 1 head means in 3 coins any 1 coin you may get a head, and another 2 coins you are getting tail, like that, and 0 head, 0 head means in all 3 coins you are getting a tail, like that. Okay, so out of 200 tosses, in 23 tosses you are getting 3 heads, and in 72 tosses you are getting 2 heads, that is like this, and in 77 tosses you are getting 1 head, and in 28 tosses you are getting 0 head, means all 3 are tails. Okay, so this table you have to use to find the probability of 2 heads coming up. Okay, so answer is, what is the probability of 2 heads? Probability of 2 heads, that is equal to, according to the formula, this formula changes here as a number of tosses, in which 2 heads coming up dividing by total number of trials, means now total number of tosses. Okay, and answer is, that is equal to, in how many tosses you are getting 2 heads, in 72 tosses you are getting 2 heads. So in the numerator place, what you have to write? You have to write 72 dividing by total number of tosses. Total how many times tossed? Total 200 times tossed. Okay, 72 dividing by 200, that is equal to, you can cancel by 2, right? Both are even numbers, 2 3 times and 2 6 times, and 2 1 times, 0 times, 0 times. Again you can cancel by 2 once, 2 18 times, and here 2 50 times. Again cancel by 2 9 times, and 2 25 times, and 9 and 25 you can't cancel by the same number. So probability is what? 9 by 25. So this is the simplified answer of this P of 2 heads. Okay, suppose you are asked a P of 1 head, here not asked, suppose you are asked then P of 1 head, you have to do like this, in how many tosses you are getting 1 head, that is 77 dividing by 200. Suppose you are asked a P of 3 heads, then you have to see the table, in how many tosses you are getting 3 heads, in 23 tosses dividing by 200. Suppose you are asked a P of 0 head, then you have to see in how many tosses you are getting 0 head, in 28 tosses. So here 28 dividing by total number of tosses, that is 200. for a given experiment denominator is same, okay, that is total number of trials that will be same, okay. Next problem under probability is lengthier one. An organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below, and you are given that information in the form of table, okay. Relationship between what and what, income level is here, and the number of vehicles in a family, okay. That information is gathered and that information is given in the form of table like this. And question is, suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. You have to find the probability of this one, that is a probability of earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. How to read this table? See, suppose I select this number 27, that indicates what? That is the number of families having 2 vehicles and having income 7,000 to 10,000 per month, okay. 27, that is in which column, that you have to see, that is in 2 column, okay. 2 column means this is the number of vehicles per family. So these number of families are having 2 vehicles and their income level is 7,000 to 10,000, okay. So here what we have to find? We have to find the probability of a family having exactly 2 vehicles and earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month, okay. So here answer part, what you have to write? Probability of this one, okay, that is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. Okay, I will not write that formula P of E. That formula you know, P of E is equal to number of trials in which event E has happened dividing by total number of trials. Now what is the number of trials? Trials means now here a number of families, okay. Number of families like this, that is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles, that you have to write in numerator place dividing by total number of trials. Total number of trials means now here total number of families, total you have 2,400 families. So here total number of trials that is 2,400, okay, because there are total 2,400 families are in a survey, okay. So in a denominator you have to write 2,400. In numerator what you have to write? How many families are having like this condition, that is earning this much income and owning exactly 2 vehicles. How to see from the table? See this row 10,000 to 13,000 row, that is here, right? 10,000 to 13,000 row is here and exactly 2 vehicles. 2 vehicles column, you have to see that column, and this row that is meeting at which number? This number 29, okay. I hope you understood that 29 is in which column? Second column, and that is in this row 10,000 to 13,000 row, okay. So 10,000 to 13,000 row you have to see, and the second column, that column and this row they are intersecting at which number? That gives you the number of families having income this much 10,000 to 13,000 and they are having exactly 2 vehicles, okay. So in the numerator place what you have to write? You have to write 29, okay. I wrote a direct answer Okay, in numerator what you have to write? You have to write the number of families are with this condition dividing by total number of families. Okay, so this is the answer for the first sub question. Actually here in this question you have 4 sub questions. If I write all 5 sub questions, then there is no space to write answer, so I will write one by one. Okay, so this is the answer for our first sub question. Next still 4 sub questions are there, I will write one by one. Okay, thank you. Next second sub question in that earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Okay, you have to find the probability of a family with this condition, that is earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Okay, so in answer part you have to write the probability with this. Okay, probability of family having like this, P of earning rupees 16,000 or more. 16,000 or more means above 16,000. Okay, in the table you are given 16,000 above, means in other words we can say 16,000 or more. Okay, that is given as 16,000 above in the table or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Okay, and that is equal to, you have to write, how you have to write in a numerator place you have to write number of trials in which event E has happened, means now number of families with this condition. Okay, number of families earning rupees 16,000 or above per month and owning exactly one vehicle, that you have to write in the numerator place dividing by total number of trials. Total number of trials means now total number of families. For this problem total number of trials is same because there are 2400 families. Okay, for all sub questions denominator is same, that is 2400. Total number of families, total number of trials, that is 2400, and only numerator changes according to this. Okay, so now in a table you have to see which row, you have to see 16,000 or more means 16,000 above, that row you have to see, and owning exactly one vehicle. Owning exactly one vehicle means you have to see this column. Okay, number of vehicles one column, that you have to see that column, and 16,000 above, that row is intersecting at which I will show you by line. See this row and this column, that will meet at which number, that will meet at 579. Okay, so this one you have to write in a numerator place because these many number of families are with the income above 16,000 per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Okay, so in the numerator place what you have to write, 579 dividing by total number of families is 2400. Okay, thank you. Next third sub question is you have to find the probability of a family chosen is earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. Okay, so in the answer part you have to write probability of a chosen family is with this condition. So probability of a family earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. Okay, probability of a family chosen with this condition you have to find. So that is equal to the number of families with this condition, that you have to write in numerator place, that we write later, dividing by total number of families. Okay, total number of trials that is same, I already said that is 2400, denominator is same, for all the sub questions in this problem. Okay, what is the numerator? Numerator, to write a numerator you have to see how many families are with this condition from the table. Okay, now you see which row you have to see. You have to see the row where you have less than 7,000 per month. Okay, less than 7,000, less than 7,000 per month means this row you have to see. And which column you have to see? Does not own any vehicle. Does not own any vehicle means the number of vehicles 0. Okay, so 0 number of vehicles 0 column, that you have to see. So that column, this column 0 column and this row, that will meet at which number? At 10. Okay, that means 10 families are with the income less than 7,000 per month and they are not owning any vehicle, 0 vehicle. Okay, so there are 10 families like that. So in numerator place you have to write 10 dividing by 2,400 and 1 0 you can cancel. So simplified answer, simplified probability answer for this sub question is 1 by 240. Okay, thank you. Next sub question is earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles, means you have to find the probability that family chosen is with this condition, that is earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. Okay, so you have to write in the answer part like this: probability of family chosen is earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. Okay, you have to find the probability of a family chosen is earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. So that is equal to, in a numerator place you have to write how many families are with this condition dividing by total number of families. Total number of families is 2,400. Okay, and in the numerator which number you have to write? To write that number you have to see that condition 13,000 to 16,000 row you have to see, that is here. Okay, this row you have to see, and which column you have to see? Owning more than 2 vehicles. More than 2 vehicles means above 2 column. Okay, this column and this row, they are intersecting at which number? 25. Okay, I hope you understood this 13,000 to 16,000 income level and above 2 number of vehicles. That column is intersecting at which number? That gives you the number of families with this condition. So in the numerator what you have to write? You have to write 25 dividing by 2,400. You can simplify this further by cancelling by 5 times and 5 4 times 20 and 4 left 5 8 times 8 times 40, 0 times 0. Still you can simplify 5 ones 5 9 times 45, 3 left and 5 6 times. So answer, simplified probability answer for this sub question is 1 by 96. Okay, thank you. So last sub question in this you have to find the probability of a family chosen is owning not more than 1 vehicle. You have to find probability of family with this condition. Okay, so in the answer part what you have to write? You have to write the probability of a family owning not more than 1 vehicle. Okay, so here probability of family owning not more than 1 vehicle. Okay, and that is equal to what you have to write in numerator place? Number of families with this condition, that is not owning more than 1 vehicle dividing by total number of families. Total number of families is 2,400. Now how to see not more than one vehicle? Not more than one vehicle directly you can't read from the table. You have to see not more than one. Not more than one means either they can have zero vehicle or they can have one vehicle, but not more than one. Okay, not more than that. Okay, not more than that means you cannot take a number of families with the two vehicles and above two. So you should not take this column and this column numbers. Okay, you can take a number of families having zero vehicle or a number of families having a one vehicle. So together that gives how many families are with that condition, that is a number of families owning not more than one vehicle. You can take a zero column number and one column numbers, because that many families are owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle means they can have zero vehicle or one vehicle, but not more than that means should not own more than two vehicle, should not own two vehicles also. Okay, so you have to take the number of families in a zero column and number of families with the one vehicle. Okay, so that total gives how much that we see 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, that gives you 14 total in this zero column, and total of total number of families with the one vehicle, that we check 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 9, that is 28, 2 left, then 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 that is 18, 18 plus 6 that is 24, 2 left, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 3 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 1 19 plus 1 20. Okay, 2048 in what number of families with the one vehicle and number of families with the zero vehicle is 14. So total is how much? 14 plus 2048, that gives you 4 plus 8 12, 1 left, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6 and 0, next 2. Okay, 14 plus 2048. What is 14? 14 families are with the zero vehicle, means with the no vehicle, and there are 2048 families with the one vehicle. Okay, they not mentioned their income level, they just asked what is the probability of a family owning not more than one vehicle. Means you have to take a total number of families in a zero column and one column. Okay, that gives you 2062. So in the numerator what you have to write? 2062 families. Okay, dividing by 2400, and that simplifies to how much? You can cancel by 2 once 0 time, 3 times 1 time, and 2 1 time, 2 times, 0 time, 0 time. So 1031 dividing by 1200, that is the probability of a family owning not more than one vehicle. Okay, I hope you understood this word. Not more than one vehicle means they can have zero vehicle or one vehicle, but not more than that. Okay, not more than that means you cannot take families with the two vehicle and above two vehicles. Okay, so you should not take these two last two columns numbers. You have to take a zero column and first column, zero column and one column families numbers. You have to take the sum, that sum you have to write in a numerator place. That gives you the number of families with the this condition, that is the families owning not more than one vehicle, dividing by total number of families 2400, and simplify that further to get the probability of that. Okay, thank you.